Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about the equivalent circuit of induction motor. Now we will discuss about the equivalent circuit of induction motor. Before the discussion of equivalent circuit of three-phase induction motor, I will remind you in my previous lecture I discussed about the basic construction of three-phase induction machine, where there are two parts. First is stator and second is rotor. Stator having three-phase winding which have its own resistance as well as inductance. Similarly, I discussed about the rotor. Rotor are two types: squirrel cage rotor and wound type rotor. If I am talking about squirrel cage rotor, there will be copper and aluminum bar that which inserted directly slots to the rotor and short circuited through the end ring. And if I'm talking about wound type rotor, the wound type rotor having same winding, yeah, similar winding to the stator winding. That why the rotor having also its particular inductance, and these are the short circuited due to the uh, resistance will be R2. And now I will start from the stator winding equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit of equivalent circuit of stator 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 of induction motor. Stator is connected through the three-phase supply. As previous lecture I discussed about that. That's why this is the V1 and stator winding having its own resistance. There will be the current. Current will be I1 flowing through this direction, and circuit resistance R1, inductance X1, and this is no load current I0. This is the core loss RC. This is magnetizing inductance XM. And this will be the V1 dash. This is the equivalent circuit of the stator winding of induction motor. Then I will discuss about the equivalent circuit of the rotor of induction motor. Equivalent circuit of rotor of induction motor. In my previous lecture, I derived the equation I2 is equal to SE2 divided by under root SX2 square plus R2, and this equation will be converted E2 under root X2 square plus R2 divided by S का whole square, and then the equivalent circuit of the rotor is this is the S E2 this is R2, and this is the X2, and this will be the there will be the current I2, and this equivalent circuit is converted according to this equation. Then this equivalent circuit is E2, the current will be I2, inductance X2, resistance R2 divided by S. This is the equivalent circuit of rotor of induction machine. Then I will discuss the rotor circuit is refer to stator of the induction machine. I can erase that one. Equivalent circuit equivalent circuit refer to stator side of induction motor. The rotor circuit will be E2 dash is equal to N1, N2, E2, X2 dash is equal to N1, N2, X2, R2 dash divided by S is equal to R2 S N1 N2 का whole square. This will be X2, and then the complete equivalent circuit refer to stator side of the stator of the induction motor will be R1 X1. This will be no load current, core loss RC, magnetizing inductance XM, IC current flowing through this, and IM current flowing through this. There will be the V1 voltage applied to the stator of the 3-phase induction motor, and here this will be X2 dash, and this will be the R2 dash divided by S. And then this equation is we are not considering R2 on a rotor side, then the R2 dash divided by S is equal to R2 dash plus 1 minus S divided by S into R2. That means if rewrite, then will be S R2 dash plus R2 minus S R2 divided by S is equal to, this will be cancelled out, R2 dash divided by S. Then this equivalent circuit is converted into this V1. The current is I1, R1, R1, inductance X1, core loss RC, magnetizing current XM, no load current I0, IC, IM, and then X2 dash R2 dash this is 1 minus S R2 dash divided by S, and this will be rewrite R2 dash is equal to 1 minus S divided by S is this value. This is the complete equivalent circuit. Refer to stator side of the induction motor. Thank you very much.